Well, we went sledding today at the infamous Stonewall Hill. Now we're all piled back up, heading to the house. Everybody looks so happy. What about you, Jaden?
What?
You okay?
No.
Your hair looks awesome.
Thanks. Yeah, it really does. Thanks, that means so much. Hey, you're welcome, Jaden. Thank you for being nice.
Anyways, at least we got a little hit on the snow sledding this year. We don't always get snow like this around here, so anyways, snowstorm 2022 successful.